Hi everyone! This is a course for absolute beginners for learning harmonium and chanting, even if you have no clue how to play an instrument or sing. My name is Athina and I've been studying music for more than 30 years. So I totally understand the stresses that come with having something so unknown. So this is a course where I take you step by step from placing one finger on the harmonium to figuring out how to create the pumping movement, to how to start moving through chords and adding all these beautiful Sanskrit mantras, little by little, from Om to Shanti, Shanti to Lokasamasta and more. It'll be so amazing if you choose to join this course, to go through this adventure together with me, this adventure of learning how to play this magical instrument called the harmonium, of finding a little bit more trust in your voice and expressing all the beauty that already exists within you through these chants, through these Sanskrit mantras, through playing. So look forward to seeing you there. Namaste.